Hello, fabulous artist! Today we're going to make our very own heart necklace. In class, Miss Highland will give you a wedge of clay. Don't play with it, simply flatten it out like this. You need a smooth surface. Take your cookie cutter and punch. Poke out your heart and smooth any rough edges. Get a straw and poke a hole in the corner. This is so a string can fit through. Smooth out any cracks or rough edges with your finger and just a little bit of water. On the back of your heart, write your name and your teacher's initial. If you want to write something on the front of the heart, you can too. Miss Highland put that clay heart in a kiln, which is the oven in the back of the art room that I have shown you, and it gets so hot it changes the clay into something called bisqueware, which is a piece of ceramic. The clay has become hard. So now we're ready to paint the clay. You will put your paint directly on your plate. A little dot of paint is enough. It goes a very long way and it lasts. And then with your two colors, put 2 dots on your plate. 2 dots is enough of the colors you choose. You can pick 2 colors to paint your heart. I have chosen red and gold sparkles. I am going to paint the front of my heart red and the sides of my heart red on the plate. Make sure you fill in all the white spots. Color in the edges of the heart as well with your paintbrush. I can pick it up with my hands, as long as you don't mind getting them a little messy, and paint in the sides of that heart as well. You'll also need to paint the back, but we'll wait and do that once the front is dried just a little bit. Get all of the edges and make sure it's completely covered with red paint or the color you have chosen. Give it about 2 to 3 minutes to dry, and you can wait by talking to a friend until it's dry. Once it's dry to the touch, you can flip it over and paint the back. My heart is somewhat dry, so I'm going to add gold sparkles on top. I'm going to cover the entire heart that I just painted red with a little bit of gold sparkles. Once it's dry, I can wait, flip it over, and also cover the back with gold sparkles as well. When your pendant or your heart is completely dry, we will attach our necklace chain. It comes to you like this. Pick a color that you'd like. On the end, pinch it together and poke it through the hole on your heart that you made with your straw. Push it through and leave a little opening. Take the end of your necklace with the chain on it and put it through that hole. And pull. Ta-da! Now you have a necklace that you can wear. Here is another close-up look on how to attach that necklace.